Okay, ma'am, this is how to locate where to verify the Google console account. What you have to do is to go to google.com. Google.com. There in google.com, you search for Google Play Console. So now here you search for Google Play Console here. It will take you to a part where you have to sign into the account. Okay, you open this second option here. This place I see this second option here. It's still loading. Okay, this is the Google Play Console account here. There in the Google Play Console account, all you have to do is just to select the email, that fashionago@gmail.com, because that's the account, that's the Gmail that I was registered with. You change, let me change it here because it's not in that default in that email, so I'll have to switch over to the email, to that fashionago@gmail.com. Okay, this is it here. Still signing in. I think my network is bad. Okay, it's now signing into the account. Okay, here you choose this account, this fashionago, because that's the account that I was registered with. After choosing it, it will now take you directly to the Google Play Console. So here now, this is where you have to verify. It says to publish app, verify your identity. Before you can publish apps on Google Play, we need to verify your identity. This process can take up to 2 business days. So you click on verify identity. When you click on that verify identity, it will now take you to this part where you have to choose any of these four ID means of identification, either driver's license, passport, state ID, or green card. So you can, for you to do that, you just click on start verification. Click on start verification, then you enter the name, like the details of the card. Then you click on next. That's just how to do it.